Here's Ahmad Park from the desk of Anoop Professional Forum. Today I have visited Khatm Nabuwat Forum Karachi office, and Alhamdulillah have reviewed their workings, doing the activities among the Muslim Ummah. And basically they are spreading the knowledge, awareness regarding the Khatm Nabuwat, what the Khatm Nabuwat means. As a Muslim, we should all know what is the meaning and what is the Sharia perspective of Khatm Nabuwat. And basically they are doing very well, making the awareness among the youth and Muslim Ummah that what is the Khatm Nabuwat, what are the litigations, and in the current era where we are living, there are very enemies of the Muslims doing false activities to spread the misconception regarding the Khatm Nabuwat and the legal position and the constitution position of the Khatm Nabuwat in Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, they are conducting a series of courses within the city of Karachi, and Alhamdulillah they have completed. I'm very much surprised that in a very small period of time they have completed 40 courses in which different Sharia scholars have given the lectures to the Muslim youth, and the feedback was very encouraging for me also, and I am also inspired with their work. And I have seen their planning, that they are planning to execute more than 500 courses all over the world, and especially target market is Pakistan. So basically they are doing very well job, and I am also taking interest in their activities, as this is the essence of our Iman, and we should contribute to their efforts. And I request all the Muslims, especially the youth in the society, to join hands with these peoples to secure their Iman, and basically rectify their misconceptions, and save their Iman, and make their world a heaven, and the afterworld is also heaven.